everybody, how are you today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Well, now I want to read some article about Solana Beta's Phantom Wallet rolls out Burn NFTs feature to help curse NSP spam. Phantom, a leading Solana-based wallet, has introduced new security features aimed at limiting spamming activities on its platform. The new mechanism, called Burn NFTs, will allow users to remove spam NFTs and malicious links sent by potential hackers. The move is expected to curb NFT theft, which has become quite prevalent in the sector. One or two-day NFT burning is launching on Phantom across all devices. Safely remove spam and clean up your collectibles tape or form break inside the wallet. As an added bonus, when you burn those unwanted NFTs, you even make some SOL in the process. As the name implies, the burn NFTs feature will permanently remove the said NFT from the platform. Meanwhile, users are entitled to a fixed amount of SOL every time they use the burn NFT mechanism. To remove unwanted wallet spam, simply select the NFT you want to burn in the collectible tab and select the burn token function located in the top right ellipsis menu. Once an NFT is burned, the token is permanently removed from the wallet and you receive a small deposit of SOL that serves as the rent used to pay for storage. And while spam NFTs collect wallet, they are never dangerous to burn, the company explained in the Wednesday post. Moving forward, Phantom will use the malicious link and NFTs burned by user as a marker or to block the contract address to domain names of shady actors from its platform. This will open the blacklist of spam and phishing NFTs we have been maintaining and open source with the community when our full-time, globally distributed team finds out about a scam NFT. The contract address and domain are added to a blacklist which hides the NFT from the wallet and creates a warning that the site is malicious. Phantom goes on to blame the growing number of NFT spam and malicious activities on its platform as in-loan transaction fee result that the wallet was recently compromised, resulting in the loss of nearly 8 million worth of user funds. So far, the new feature has been welcomed with open arms, with over 25,000 NFTs being in the first 24 hours. There are lots of buzz about play to earn, but the hot new trend might be born into earn. User burns 20,000, 25,000 plus NFTs in the first 24 hours and earned over 70 SO. And don't worry, its magic is verified and NFT can be boarded. Just another way we try to keep your assets safe. Okay, they are about article run to info step streams with adapted to mediate an NFT sneaker collection. Rebel becomes the third big seeking to build a free NFT marketplace for Bitcoin DAO. The next deeper left create an FL quarterbacks Patrick Mahomes to promote its latest NFT platform. Rebel because your headers dual the assets gives market. Okay, well, This is from me, Asra from Mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.